Hi guys, today I'm gonna show one of the new update of Google Translate. Yeah, Google Translate has updated its version. Yeah, it has two major updates. One is they had improved the offline translation with upgraded language downloads. Yeah, they had improved the offline translation. We also know the Google Translate can be used in offline also. Yeah, they had improved the offline translation with a number of languages can be downloaded using these features. Yeah, here I'm just showing how to translate for unknown persons. Yeah, this is how we are translating in the Google Translate with a number of languages. Yeah, to get back to the update, we can they can improve the offline translation with upgraded language downloads. Yeah, you can download the whatever language you want, you can download it and make it in offline translation. Yeah, I just showing the one or two languages. And the second thing is the camera. They had new camera translation. They had automated language detection, better translation quality, and more languages has been supported in these new features. I'm just showing that. Yeah, I'm just showing how the camera is translating. It can translate a single word. Yeah, it can translated to English to Armenian language, and you can translate a bunch of words using a scan option located in the Google Translate. Yeah, now it's scanning. It's going to translate to English to Armenian language. Yeah, now it's translated. Yeah, you can also translate using any other language, whatever you want. And the Google Translate has another features like a conversation and the voice. You can translate your conversation or your voice, whatever it may be. You can translate using the Google Translate. Yeah, now the Google Translate has updated many things, and it might be useful to you. Thank you for watching. For more updates, subscribe Tech Factory.